Okay, in phonics, we're going to do a trigraph, which is like a digraph that's 3 letters, E, A, R. And it's kind of a diphthong because we've got 2 sounds in here. We've got ear, ear, ear. E-A-R, ear is the word itself, actually. We're going to underline that as our title, and we're going to put our date up in the top corner for whatever day it is. We're going to do 6 words that have the E-A-R, the ear sound in it. So let's do 1, 2, 3 down the side. You can fold this page. Find that middle part of the page to write our 4, 5, 6. Notice I've left lots of space there for writing. And we'll write across. Let's take a look, though, first at some words that have E-A-R in them. So we have words like spear, or dreary, clear, ear, tear, beard, or a pair of scissors can be known as shears. The ear sound from E-A-R has a bit of a long E. E-er. Well, let's go ahead and copy some of those words in. So first word is spear. We get our sp sound from the consonant blend of SP. And then our ear, E-A-R. Ear, spear. Word number 2 is dreary. That means dark and gray and kind of miserable out for the weather. Dreary. Our dir comes from the consonant blend of DR, dir. And then our ear, E-A-R. We have a Y at the end to give us that E sound. Dreary, dreary, dreary. Word number 3 is clear. We get that cl sound from the consonant blend CL together. Cl, ear. There's our E-A-R. Clear, ear, clear. Word number 4, we don't have to add anything at the beginning. We can just do our ear, E-A-R, and that's like the ear on the side of our head that we hear with. Ear. Word number 5 is tear. We got our t from letter T and our ear, E-A-R. Ear, ear, tear, tear to cry. Word number 6 is beard. So we get our B for the B sound. Then our ear, ear, and D at the end. Beard, 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 a beard. Hair on your face. All right, let's go with a nice bright color. Color in these E-A-Rs. Make them pop off the page. Notice what I'm doing is I'm tracing right over top of the letters. I'm not scribbling on them where I can't read them. I'm going right over the E, right over the A, reforming it, and right over the R. Make them pop off the page, whether they're at the end of the word or the middle of the word. Let's do that for all 6. There we go. Now I just need to draw a picture of something. I think I'm going to draw a picture of a spear. So I'm going to give my spear a nice sharp pointy part in the front. It'll be attached to a long pole that it would be thrown with. We're going to label that ear, and we'll add some color to it as well. There we go. There's my trigraph, which is like a digraph. Digraph meaning the letters that are used, and it's a diphthong in that there's 2 sounds being produced by these 3 letters. We get the E and the from the R for ear, E-A-R, ear.